So guys, I have some news for you guys today. The news is that the how should I tell you guys, because this is really, I don't know, I still don't know that it is going to be amazing or just like the live action film of Death Note. The Promised Neverland is getting a live action film and it is going to release in Singapore on December 18. Encore Films announced that the last Friday that it will open the live action film of Kaizu Shirai's The Promised Neverland manga in Singapore on December 18 and the same date as the Japanese opening. And of course, if you have watched some couple of animes, then you might have definitely watched The Promised Neverland, and oh my god, that anime is absolutely insane and the plot is absolutely crazy. I really loved the plot and the thriller part about it, but some things from animes and some characters from animes only look good in anime. The cosplays and the plays are exactly as it is shown in the anime and manga, but I really don't think that the thriller part about it will be like the manga or anime, because in anime when they are scared on or the monsters or the things which are really hard or impossible almost to show in real faces or live action films are shown into the anime, and that's why we all love animes, because it is just out of our expectations and that thing gives a different kind of feeling, different kind of thrill because of the animation which we can't put on the real human faces. Example for, do you remember that another maid which comes afterwards into the series? I don't exactly remember her name, but you know her face, right? Laughs vigorously and it was a really scary part of the anime. But if we will put that thing into the real life, this is how it is going to look.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Oh my god, so that's why I was saying there are some things that we can't just put into the real life from the anime. Do you remember also that part when that another maid is playing with the kids all over the place, all over that area and the green field, and all the kids are hiding somewhere, and that maid is going to find all of the kids who are hiding somewhere, and that maid starts running really fast in the anime even though she is fat. So I clearly remember that scene, and this is how it is looking into the real life. The second season of The Promised Neverland should be out till the October in this month, but unfortunately because of the COVID-19 situation it is delayed into the January 2021. The guy who is directing this film is Yuichiro Hiragawa, who is the same guy who made the live action film of Erased. In my opinion, I don't think this film is going to be really a great live action film. So yeah, that was it guys. This was just like an update video to tell you guys about that Promised Neverland live action film. And yeah, that was it for the video guys. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for daily anime news and on anime content, top 10 top 5 listings, anime reviews and recommendations, and comment down below what do you think about this film. Like this video, and yeah, that was it, and I will see you in the next one. Sayonara.